I'm going to show a Renegade Row. So this is a really challenging upper body and core exercise. So I'm going to have a set of dumbbells here. And so I'm going to show the full version, a couple regressions, and then I'm going to break down a couple key technique points. So I'm going to get on these dumbbells. I'm going to have my feet wide and about the shoulders, bracing the core. The full movement is a push-up, row, row, or I could do a push-up from the knees and then come up, row, row. Okay? So push-up, row, row. That's 1 rep. Push-up from the knees, also 1 rep there. Okay? A couple things I'm thinking about here. So first, sometimes people have wrist pain here. So on the dumbbell, I don't want to have my wrist too much at an angle, so I'm going to try and almost curl my wrist a little bit to kind of keep it fairly neutral, and the weight's kind of pushing through the palm of my hand. That should help. That's number 1. Number 2 is when I'm rowing here, I want to be nice and stable in the shoulder. So my stabilizing arm, I'm pushing actually into the ground. So if I'm going to row on this side, this hand I'm pushing down and getting my bicep pointed forward. And then I want a strong brace of the core and the glutes, so I'm minimizing my tilt side to side. So I'm here, you see my biceps forward. As I put this down, I'm going to go there. And then on my push-up, I want to keep that rotation too. So I'm going to push up here. So elbows are in fairly close. Good scapular control. If I'm push up on the knees, I also again want to make sure I'm not just loading up to my ears, but keeping the shoulders kind of away from the ears and the biceps pointing forwards. Okay? Last thing, my feet are a little wider. That's going to be easier because I'm not going to be as tippy, harder, closer in. That's a Renegade Row.